Hey guys, what's up? Brendan from WhisperNode here. Today I want to show you guys how to update your Sentinel client wallet. The other day we did a tutorial on how to swap your ERC20 cent tokens for the Cosmos-based DVPN tokens. But at that time the wallet wasn't updated, so you wouldn't be able to see your balance and you wouldn't be able to send and receive tokens. So to do that, we need to update the Sentinel client wallet. There's a few steps that are a little tricky here, so I wanted to make a video so you guys can follow right along. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up your Finder. If you're on a Mac, I'm doing this on a Mac, keep in mind. The first thing you're going to do is go to your Home folder. To do that, do Command+Shift+H. And when you all go to this folder, you may have hidden files. So to reveal those, just hit Command+Shift+Dot, and now I can see all those hidden files. You're going to want to find your .sentinel folder here and just drag that whole thing to the trash. But before you do so, make sure that you've backed up your private keys in that wallet you generated in the previous tutorial. Never forget to back up your keys. Can't stress that enough. So drag that whole .sentinel folder to the trash. We're also going to remove the instance of the Sentinel application. It seems that I was getting some confusion when I only deleted the .sentinel folder, so I also deleted the Sentinel app from my applications folder. So again, go to your Finder, click Applications, find Sentinel, and drag that to the trash. All right, now, once you've kind of cleared your computer of all the Sentinel app stuff, you're going to want to go to the GitHub Sentinel official desktop client releases and find the latest version of the application. So I'll put that link in the comments down below. So I'm going to download Sentinel 0.3.0. I'm going to do the DMG file on a Mac here. So I'm going to download that. And I'll be right back after that download finishes. All right, looks like that download is done. So I'm going to click that download and open the DMG file. All right, and I'm going to drag over the new application to my application folder. Now, that should probably be enough for most of you guys out there. But just in case, there was one other thing that I want to check here. So go back to your home by pressing Command+Shift+H. Again, make sure those hidden files are showing. The command for that is Command+Shift+. Oh, sorry. You're going to have to open the Sentinel application in your Finder window. So go to Applications, find Sentinel, and open that up. Click Open. And it should open up here. If that did not work, exit out of the screen that's giving you the error message and go back to your home folder by clicking Command+Shift+H. Make sure your hidden files are showing by hitting Command+Shift+, and go into the .sentinel folder here. Go into the client folder and open up this config file and choose like any text editor. So I'm just gonna do search for text and use text edit, which comes on most Macs. So I'm going to open that. So you're going to want to look at this RPC address here and make sure that that RPC address actually says, so mine is working but has a different RPC address. One I've heard solve this problem is this IP here, is this, sorry, this address here. And I'll put this in the comments of the video. So open that config file and paste in these values here, and then close that file. And then try to open the application again. All right, so it looks like that worked. And again, type in admin there to authenticate, log in, save these details, and then you should, again, be able to enter your name, password, and then enter the mnemonic that you had created previously to enter your account. So that is it, guys. Hope that worked for you. And I will see you on the next tutorial. Peace.